I used to struggle when someone asked me, "What's your daily routine like?" Not because I didn't have a routine, but because I didn't know how to talk about it in English. I would freeze and say, I wake up and then, um, eat and go somewhere. It was frustrating. I knew the words, but I didn't know how to connect them naturally. So I decided to fix that. I sat down one afternoon and wrote out my whole day in simple English. Not perfect English, just real, relaxed, everyday language. And that's what I want to share with you now. My daily routine from morning to night and how to talk about your own. Let's start at the beginning. My alarm goes off around 6:30 a.m. I usually hit snooze once or twice, but I try to get out of bed by 6:40. I stretch, drink some water, and check my phone. Bad habit, I know, but I like to read a few messages or check the weather. Then I head to the bathroom. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and sometimes take a quick shower, especially if I went to bed late and need to wake up faster. Next, I get dressed. If it's a work day, I wear something simple but nice. If I'm staying home, I just throw on a t-shirt and sweatpants. By 7:30, I'm in the kitchen. Breakfast is usually quick. Toast with cheese, maybe a boiled egg, and a big cup of coffee. I like my mornings calm, so I usually eat while listening to a podcast or some music. Sometimes I write a to-do list while sipping my coffee. It helps me stay focused. I usually start work around 8:30 or 9 o'clock. If I'm working from home, I open my laptop at the kitchen table. If I need to go to the office, I take the bus or walk depending on the weather. At work, my tasks vary. Some days I answer emails, some days I write reports, other days I'm in meetings for hours. I try to take short breaks every hour, just to stretch or walk around a bit. Around noon, I have lunch. If I'm at home, I make something simple like pasta or rice with vegetables. If I'm at the office, I usually eat in the cafeteria with coworkers. After lunch, I sometimes feel sleepy. That's when I drink my second cup of coffee or take a short walk if the weather's nice. The afternoon goes by with more work. I usually finish around 5 or 6 p.m. depending on the day. After work, I need to unwind. Sometimes I cook dinner right away. Other times I take a break first, scroll through social media, read a book, or just lie on the couch doing absolutely nothing. Dinner is usually around 7 or 8 p.m. I try to cook healthy meals when I can, but sometimes I just order food, especially on Fridays. After dinner, I clean up the kitchen, maybe call a friend or talk to my family on the phone. I don't watch a lot of TV, but I enjoy YouTube. I like watching English-speaking vloggers or funny videos, things that help me relax and learn at the same time. If I have energy, I study English, maybe 20 minutes of vocabulary, or I practice speaking out loud. Other nights, I'm too tired and just want to do nothing. Around 10 p.m., I start getting ready for bed. I wash my face again, brush my teeth, and change into pajamas. I try to avoid screens, but let's be honest, I usually end up scrolling on my phone anyway. Sometimes I journal in English. I write a few lines about my day. Today was productive. I felt tired in the afternoon. I had fun cooking dinner. Then I turn off the lights and try to sleep before 11:30. Some nights I fall asleep fast. Other nights I lie in bed thinking about everything. That's normal. If you want to describe your own daily routine in English, here are some helpful phrases you can use. I wake up around 7. I usually have coffee in the morning. I work from 9 to 4. I take a lunch break at noon. After work, I relax or exercise. I usually go to bed around 11. On weekends, my routine is more flexible. You don't have to make it complicated. Use simple sentences. Keep it real. Make it sound like you. Talking about your daily routine is one of the best ways to practice English. Why? Because it's your story. You already know what happens. You just need the words. So write about your day. Say it out loud. Record yourself. Tell a friend. Use English to describe the life you already live. Don't try to sound perfect. Try to sound like you're just talking, because that's how real English works. Practice out loud. Try different styles, and soon it will feel completely natural. Thank you for practicing with me today. See you in the next lesson.